Hello Craft Gin Club, my name is Tarvo and I'm the co-founder of Junimperium Distillery.
Hi, my name is Aare and I am the master distiller.
We are super excited to present to you a Junimperium Special Edition Tallinn Dry Gin here in Junimperium Distillery. Junimperium means the empire of junipers. Before we started our business, we tested more than 30 different junipers from the different places of the world to find out the unique mix of 4 different junipers, which is the backbone of all our gins.
Here in Junimperium we distill all the botanicals separately. In this gin we use juniper berries, coriander seeds, angelica root, and to capture the vibrant and diverse essence of Telliskivi area we use fresh lemongrass, fresh lime, grains of paradise, bitter green orange, and our unique botanical Nordic quince, also called as Estonian lemon.